Hi, this is Highbridge Motorhomes Devon Branch on a beautiful, very warm end of July 2025 day, and we're out here on the forecourt doing a couple of request videos. So if you see a van on our website you're interested in it, you can't make it down straight away, if you'd like to see a video of it, just give us a call. We can answer any questions we can, and then we'll come out here and do a video for you, and we'll whack it on YouTube and we'll send a link to you as well. So we'll happily do that for any one of our 100+ caravans and motorhomes here at Highbridge Devon. But this one is an Autotrail Adventure 55. So Autotrail, I believe, started in 1979 or so, building motorhomes, based up in Hull, sort of Immingham kind of area, in the Yorkshire coast, like a lot of motorhome manufacturers, and they're known for sort of high quality British luxury coach builds. They've done van conversions on and off for most of that time, but they've really gone into them with a vengeance now. They're owned by the French giant Trigano Group, and they were actually building the van conversions for a lot of other Trigano manufacturers like Roller Team, Choson, Benamar, were actually all built by Autotrail. The Adventure 55 range came out, I want to say 3 or 4 years ago, something like that, maybe even 5. No, it must have been 3 or 4 years ago, and it was Autotrail's initial answer to the Eldest Compass CV range, which were a very popular, more reasonably priced end of the market. So this one is rather special. It's a 74 plate. I think it was registered in September, October last year, so it's only 9 months old. So it's an Adventure 55, which is the best selling one of the Adventure range, I believe. It's got the 9-speed automatic gearbox on the Fiat Ciccato. 6 metres, it's full berth, 4 seat belts with 3.5 tonne. You can drive it on a car licence. It's got the latest 2.2 Euro 6 final automatic turbo diesel engine with the 9-speed ZF automatic gearbox. It's only done 900 miles. We see this an awful lot. So it was an older couple that bought it, and they realised quite quickly that this is more of a not a younger person's layout, but maybe they didn't need the pop top. They wanted a bed that they could get out of during the night without disturbing the other person, so they could have, and maybe wherever they bought it from new might have sort of deflected them towards a more suitable van for 2 people. But anyway, so this is somebody's gain, as they're getting a second-hand van with all the kit you could want for 900 miles at 68,995. So it's 2.05 wide, body width is wrong, about 2 3/4 tall, sounds about right, because it's got the pop top on the roof, 5.99 metres long. So iron grey metallic, real good looking van. It's got the black style pack, 16-inch Fiat alloy wheels. Body work needs all of our stock's a bit dusty. There's a little scuff there, will rub out. Apart from that, it's absolutely perfect. Electrically adjustable manual fold short arm wing mirrors. It's got factory fitted 2-lay awning. Electric step. We'll have a look at the inside from the inside, but this is an end lounge front dinette with seat belts and a pop top, with a bit of a twist. So the pop top can well, the front dinette doesn't make a bed, so you've got comfortable travelling seats. 3-way fridge freezer, so you've got gas, mains electric, or 12 volt off your engine when you're driving. Underslung fresh and waste water tanks. Ah, damn it, that's happened since it's been with us, so we're going to have to replace the window on that, and that must have happened when it's on site. That is so annoying. So that will be replaced anyway with a new window. It's watertight for a minute, but we'll order one of them from Autotrail and fit it when it comes in. Very frustrating, but unfortunately that's what happens sometimes when your vans are a little bit close together. So you got light grey pop top on top, iron grey metallic van, which is this dark grey metallic, best colour by far and away, the most popular one. Awning, factory fitted reversing camera, TV aerial, solar panel. So basically, apart from bike transportational equipment, it's got everything you could wish already on it. Opening windows all the way around the end lounge, and you've got the very adaptable end lounge, double lounge layout, which is always one of the most popular things out there. Really nice modern 2-tone grey, half leatherette, half cloth upholstery. This simply pulls together to make a double bed, and you've got another massive double bed in your pop top on top. If you don't need that, you can get these in similar layouts without the pop top, of course, but it's great somewhere to sleep in the summertime for yourselves when it's muggy like this, or extra accommodation. So there'll be storage underneath of these things. So you've got underslung fresh and waste water tanks, underslung gas tanks for your gas. That means you can keep these bits emptier for more storage space, which is great. Handy socket at the back there and a table, but we'll have a look at the inside from the inside. But you've got the proper concertina, more expensive blinds and fly screens. They're more adaptable and quieter when you drive as well. Coming around the offside, some more double glazed windows. Just see your TV area up there. We can fit your Wi-Fi if you want. Someone's added mud flaps, front and rear mud flaps. They weren't standard, I think. Set toilet dump point and drain points for your fresh and waste water tanks. Like the graphics, you've got these block matte black graphics with the mountain sort of adventurous region, because everybody takes these up a mountain. Mains hookup, leisure battery solar panel, so that will make you independent of mains hookup for as long as you wish to be. Fill up point for your underslung gas tank, so you can fill that up with gas anywhere at home from the petrol station LPG pumps, of which there are still hundreds in this country. And the benefit of that is it's much cheaper gas, much bigger gas capacity, doesn't take up any internal space, and you can fill it up abroad as well. Coming into the cab area is everything you'd expect from your modern Fiat Ducato base motorhome. So you've got your MS blinds, or maybe you wouldn't expect that at this price point, not compared to some won't give you that. So you've got proper Remis blinds, pull up one on the front and those fan type ones on the side. Lecky mirror adjustment, Lecky window central lock-in, gauge for your underslung gas tank. Leather bound gear stick and steering wheel. You've got electronic power steering, which is oh so very smooth. Steering wheel mounted stereo controls and cruise control. Analog dash, which I like, techno silver dash trim around the sides, auto stop start. You've also got traction plus, or traction control, not traction plus on this one. Cab air conditioning, cruise control, that 9-speed ZF German automatic gearbox, and the Accent sat nav system with the reversing camera and DAB Bluetooth stereo system built in. Those, when fitted to the Chaussons in this year, or in 23 when Chausson were fitting in those Accents, and Apple CarPlay, Android Auto Play. We're not an Autotrail dealer, so I couldn't really tell you if this one does, but it's got sat nav anyway. Warranty wise, you've got until, if it was registered in October, you've got until October 27 of Fiat warranty left to run, October 27 of Autotrail warranty left to run. But we at Highbridge, we sell most brands. We're not selling Autotrails new, so we would give you up until the van's second birthday with our own in-house habitation warranty, covering all the Autotrail bits of it. As you open up the door, you've got a fly screen door, nice light wood two-tone interior, decently wide step with a button there. I like this external light there, as well as your LED awning light up high. A fly screen door across from there. Twin swivel cab seats, which are very comfortable things, and this is what I was sort of inkling at outside. So most fans of this layout will have a very flat seat there with two seat belts, because this is designed to make a bed. But because you've got the lounge making a bed and the pop top having a bed, all that has to be is seat belted seats, so they're able to give you these very comfortable sort of split double but individual travelling seats, which are much better for your passengers than some when they're trying to make that flat to make a bed. So I kind of like that. Curved cabinet work is nice. All of the windows being properly sort of built in is good as well. You've got a table there, which is a flip up one, and table for the back there as well. Over the cab, it's not got a panoramic roof light, but it's got these little bits, at least they haven't left the shelf in there so you're not hitting your head, and it's got these little map storage pockets, all very nicely finished, very modern. Sink, 2 burners, combination gas oven and grill of a very decent size, which is good. Decent size cutlery drawer. So your fridge is down low. Sometimes they do it the other way around. This, of course, is a 3-way fridge. Because it's got the gas tank, still got a 3-way fridge instead of the 12-volt one, so it'll be running on gas when you're not hooked up. Mains when you are, and it'll run off the alternator when you're driving. Good sized wardrobe above that with a hanging rail and your table leg. I wonder where the table lives. We'll probably find it in a moment. Wet room bathroom. I like the fact it's got an opening window because you can take your shower hose out the opening window, which is very, very good. I also like flip down sinks, which seem to have gone out of fashion, but I was thinking of van conversion. It's by far and away the best use of space, isn't it? But so many manufacturers have moved to fixed sinks, which should just take up floor space, and that's actually a good sized bathroom compared to some. Storage cupboard up there. Shower curtain to stop the toilet getting wet. I don't think it's barely ever been camped in, if at all, this, to be fair. So, twin sofa lounge, pulls together, make a double bed. You can leave it made up as a double bed if you want. It's just the two of you, then you can use that as a lounge. Leave this made up as a bed when you're away. Nice deep cupboards as well. Ooh, solar, oh, that's a bonus. So the solar panel you can flip to charge your leisure battery or your vehicle battery. That's good. I don't see that normally. I like that. That's very handy when you're storing your van. What I don't like, and I've just had a rant about this in my previous video, so I'm going to try not to let it anger me, people who take TV brackets off vans, right? So we will always fit you a TV bracket for free in the van you're buying. So if your van you're buying hasn't got a telly bracket, when you take your TV off to swap it onto your next van, leave the bloody bracket on. But people don't listen. It's so annoying. They take the entire thing off, leaving holes. Now that's not a problem because we'll just fit a TV bracket over the top of it. But why do you do that? Take your TV off your bracket. When you're at home, if you were moving house and your TV is wall mounted, would you take the entire bracket off, or would you just take your TV off of the bracket that's on the wall? Anyway, try not to let these things grind me down, but I am on a one-man crusade to educate people just to remove the TV and leave the bracket on. But when we prep this, as well as replacing the window, which is very frustrating, we will fit a free TV bracket for whoever buys it on the back. Underneath here you'll have a bit of storage. Oh, that's good. That's really good storage, actually. That's a bonus. Yeah, it's a lovely van. Clean up absolutely mint. It's a bit dusty at the moment, as all our stock is after this dry spell when you're next to a quarry. But it's not smoky, it's not doggy, it still smells like a new Autotrail inside. So this is the Autotrail Adventure 55 at Highbridge Motorhomes Devon Branch. We're just off the A38 South Devon Expressway between Exeter and Plymouth. We have a branch in Somerset, so if you buy this van, you're nearer to there. We'll send it to there, you can pick it up from there. Yeah, it will get a major engine service, which it isn't due. Actually, it's only due, yeah, it's not even due an engine service to the second birthday. So we'll give it an oil filter change and a level check, 'cause it's only done 900 miles. We'll give it a full habitation service. We give it a full valet, full working handover on collection for up to half a day. You can pick up and have a free night on a local campsite down our road here for afterwards as well to go and bed in. So if you're interested, give us a call on 01626 832 792. Didn't mention heating and hot water. They're provided by Whale, the Northern Irish company. These are the controls for your heating, that for your hot water. Runs on gas from your gas tank if you're not on the mains from your mains lead, where if you are on the mains, and it's actually situated underneath the van, so it takes no internal space. So yeah, 01626 832 792. Text or WhatsApp the mobile 07432 662 558. Email jw4@highbridgecaravans.co.uk. Check us on the Highbridge Caravans website, or come and see us between Exeter and Plymouth on the South Devon Expressway. It's the busiest, biggest road in South Devon. You could not find an easiest dealership to get to. And ask us about the wonderful world of the Autotrail Adventure 55 2024 automatic. It's got solar panel, TV area and awning, fly screen door, cab blinds, sat navy thing in the cab. Thank you very much. Goodbye.